Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how I combine banga soup with egusi, also known as melon. We are going to Delta State in the southern part of Nigeria because this food is well associated with them. This is a delicacy you will not want to miss. If you are interested in this video, please keep watching and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. As usual, I will leave the list of ingredients in the description box below and don't forget to check it out. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. These are the ingredients. I have banga stick, which I will wash later in order to remove any sand from it. I have salt to taste. I'll also be using maggi. I have banga paste. I will be using 2 types of fresh pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper and Kenyan pepper. I have onions as well. I have fried hay fish. You can use any fish of your choice. I will also be using some stock fish, also known as oproko. I will be using my blended egusi, also called melon. I will be using blended crayfish. I will also be using some fresh cow meat. I have here some dried egusi, which I will be using, which I've washed already. I have shaki as well, and then I will also be using some kpomo, also known as cow skin, then some banga spices such as banga set leaf. Without this, your banga soup is not complete. Here I have blended my pepper and onions. I'll set aside. At this point, I just put the banga paste into my pot and added a little water to dissolve it, and straight away I took it to the fire. I also went ahead to boil for 5 to 6 minutes in order for me to get this liquid. The next thing for me to do now is to divide it into 2 parts because I will not be using everything. A little advice: when pouring your banga liquid into another bowl, please be careful not to allow sand or chaff to go along with it. Can you see the little particles in the pot? That is what I mean that you should be careful when pouring it into your bowl. I'll just throw that away. Lest I forget, I have been cooking my protein for some time now, let's say 10 to 15 minutes. Now I will be adding the banga liquid before adding the next ingredient. Now I will be adding all the banga sticks and spices and then stir together. However, I will go ahead to add the melon, and with the back of the spoon I will dissolve the egusi into the liquid and continue to stir and stir and stir. Can you see it has thickened up? At this point, if you wish to add more liquid or water to your soup, you are free to do so. I will leave this to cook for 2 to 4 minutes before adding the next ingredient. At this junction, I will be adding the fried fish and stir. Now I will also be adding the ugu leaf. You can use bitter leaf as well, or you can use both depending on how you want it. And I will continue to stir. I will cover this to cook for just 2 minutes, and thereafter I will open up the pot and give this a stir. Guys, can you see this? My soup is ready to be devoured. With this soup, you can use it to eat anything of your choice. Swallow. Fufu, pounded yam, starch, whatsoever you wish to use this soup to eat, you are free to do so. Please, I urge you to try this. The soup was so delicious and my kitchen was full of nice aroma. I will go ahead now to take this out of the gas cooker. Look at this soup. What a beautiful sight to behold. Are you going to try this out or not? I guess my work here is done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.